This is what the build looked like when I finally fully assembled it, ready for the first real flight. I realised, of course, that the props are very close to the block of foam that holds the linear antenna up, and on the other side I've got a beeper. Again, it gets pretty close to it. More to the point, all the props overlap with the body a fair bit, which you think is not particularly aerodynamically efficient, but yeah, that's what I decided to fly with. The top cover, which is just a single piece of plastic, is firmly attached with just these simple wire ties. Just go through a couple of holes on the top and do a good job of holding it. Because everything's recessed into the body of this frame, I didn't feel the need to have any padding on it. The block of foam is stuck on with Velcro, so off it comes, and the antenna's through there. So pulling the cover off, and we've got a little bit of blue tack just to hold the camera there, so in fact the camera is sticking to the cover. But you can see how I eventually decided to just stick the 200 milliwatt VTX to the inside of it, and yeah, that's how it all went together. So this is the takeoff and a short clip of the first flight with the GoPro hanging underneath it. I was pretty happy with how it went. In fact, I may work up the full flight, which is about 4 minutes, into a cinematic video. But for a little drone, it was quite smooth. So I'll just play this for a little bit, and then right at the end I'll show you what the very first flight without a GoPro underneath it looked like. So here it is, just cruising along the beach. Kept it low because it's a bit windy, but couldn't have gone better. So this is the very first outdoor flight. It was actually a much more scenic spot, but this time I was flying without the GoPro attached, so we're just getting the footage from the nose cam broadcast back to the ground station. I must go back there with the GoPro underneath and get some more, because it's a truly spectacular spot. Without anything hanging underneath, it was pretty streamlined, so the wind didn't seem to affect it at all. It was moving along quite nicely. It's a beautiful day, the sun just in the right position, so a cinematic opportunity that went to waste, but I got the other flight in, and it was a good day. Any day you fly and your drones come back is a good one, really, so no complaints. So until next time, bye for now.